So it's good to remember what is so wonderful about the rain. Who can tell us something good about the rain? What's a good thing about the rain? It keeps the plants alive, yeah? What else is, maybe not something so serious, anything good about the rain? Right? We'll have to resort to big people too. Yes,
Squirt guns.
squirt guns. That smells good.
You can drink it.
We can drink it, yay. Well, the first thing I think we come up with usually is it feeds the flowers and the plants. Yes, of course, they're good at that. But it also feeds the humans. We are mostly made of rain. What makes us up has probably been rain a few times. Not to give anybody any ideas while we still have a good deal of the service to go, but we're just part of that water cycle. We're one of the ways that water evolved to move itself around the planet. So this water, we need this water all the time. But amazing things happen in the rainforest. These kids told me about the animals. There's a lot of animals in the song. And they told me about the 4 levels of the rainforest. 4. I'd never heard that before, the 4 levels of the rainforest. But I thought we should put it in the song. Some human made that up, the 4 levels. I like to say, I think we were thrown out of the Garden of Eden for dividing it into separate fields of study, but that's another sermon. That's for the old folks. On the ground level, turtles and leopards and snakes live in the shelter the understory makes. The ground is so soft and the air is so clear, with 300 inches of rain every year. That's a lot. Oh, let the rain feed the thirsty ground. Sing me the song of life. Sing me the song of life. You sing such a beautiful sound. Now does that sound like a participatory chorus to you? With 4 notes, you can do it. Oh, let the rain feed the thirsty ground. Sing me the song of life. Sing me the song of life. You sing such a beautiful sound. And down in the ground, the worms and the ants nurture the roots of the flowering plants. And up in the canopy, life is a breeze. Orangutans swing from the limbs of the trees. Oh, let the rain feed the thirsty ground. Sing me the song of life. Sing me the song of life. You sing such a beautiful sound. Now while some of us sing that part, we need an antiphonal choir to come in with another part that goes, rain come down, rain come down. You got a higher voice. Rain come down, loud, rain come down. Oh, let the rain come down, feed the thirsty ground. Sing me the song of life, such a beautiful sound. And the third verse is high up above, where the toucans fly. Emergent treetops reach into the sky. There's more kinds of plants than anyone knows. Look out, there's a sloth hanging by her 3 toes. Oh, let the rain feed the thirsty ground. Sing me the song of life. You sing such a beautiful sound. And about this point, I like to put in the pop quiz. What were those 4 levels of the rainforest? Who can tell us one? Any kids? Can you tell us one? Don't give them all away. What's one? Anybody know? The ground, I heard that. The ground level, that's a good level. Yeah, the emergent. The understory, everything that likes to grow in the shade of the canopy. And then the tallest, biggest old trees stick up sometimes way above the canopy, called the immersion level. That's the 4 levels. And this is my musical memory device. There's the understory, the understory. If you got a low voice, the understory. It goes up and down. Understory and the ground level. You can be the ground level. The understory or the ground level. The ground level. Canopy, ground level. Canopy. Find your level. Canopy under. Canopy the emergent. Emergent. Oh, there's the ground level. And the under. The canopy the emergent. Emergent. Oh, there's the ground level. And under the chorus. Oh, that's the rain go down. Beat the thirsty ground. Sing me a song. Such a beautiful sound. Oh, let the rain come down. Rain come down. Sing me a song. Such a beautiful sound. Now what that shows me is there's all this stuff going on all around us. Up in the air, down in the ground, down in the water. All around us are all these things working together to keep us going. And one word for that might be harmony. I like that because I'm a musician. The harmony of nature. Have you heard that phrase? Another way to put it, though, just might be peace. All those things working together have worked together for a long time on this earth. And kids today, I hope you can find a moment of that peace in your life, your lives. And big people too, we can find it. It's a good thing to find. 5 minutes is good to find. Well, kids, our kids going to their kids are going to. Kids, you're going to get to go to something more interesting